Want to get Amazon Prime but don't know where to start? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to sign up for Amazon Prime and where to find the membership options. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Amazon website. Make sure you are signed into your Amazon account. Once you're on the Amazon homepage, look near the top of the page for the Prime option. If you don't see it, you can also search for Amazon Prime using the search bar. Click the Prime option to open the Amazon Prime membership page. Here, you'll see information about Amazon Prime and the benefits included with the membership. Take a moment to review the information shown on the page. Next, look for the Join Prime button. Depending on your Amazon page, you may find it near the top or in the main section. Move your mouse cursor to Join Prime and click it. Amazon will show you the available membership options for your account. Review the plan, price, billing period, and other details carefully. If there are different plans available, choose the one you want and continue to the next step. Amazon may then ask you to select or add a payment method. Choose an available payment method and follow the instructions shown on the screen. Before completing the process, carefully review your membership plan, payment method, price, and billing information. If everything is correct and you want to subscribe, follow Amazon's instructions to complete the membership. If you're only following this tutorial to learn the process, you don't need to complete the subscription or make a payment. Keep in mind that Amazon Prime plans, prices, and benefits can vary depending on your location and account. And that's how to get an Amazon Prime membership. Simply sign in, open the Prime page, select Join Prime, review the membership details, and follow the instructions provided by Amazon. Thanks for watching.